that's a good one. So this is some lightning looking, I don't really know where it's looking. I'm assuming it's east because the storm's east on the radar. And it looks like the storm's heading towards Waldorf, Prince George's, and Arundel counties. Maybe hitting Annapolis sooner or later. If you don't know where that is, look it up. Well, I mean, Annapolis, it's like east of DC, capital Maryland. Basically, it's a DC area, so if you really want to know, look it up. It's about 9:30 at night. It's very hot and humid, and this is May 18th, 2015. Oh, nice. Some good bolts. Climb the cloud. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So one more, we'll go to 3 minutes. Oh yeah, nice. That's good.